A lot of people don't know it, but they've been pronouncing it wrong for years. Stick around and we'll talk about it. What did I mean by that? Well, the Seyco saw is actually pronounced Seyco. And the reason why kind of makes sense, because Ray Seymour sells this ST-21, and the SCY in Seyco is for Seymour. So technically it's Seyco, but he's been hearing it that way for so long that he has no problem with it, so we'll get past that. I have not tried out the saw yet. I just got done putting it together, and you're getting ready to see that here shortly. I'd like to make it very clear that I'm not being sponsored by Seyco or Ray Seymour, because I told him that his reputation preceded him, and that I'd like to be a part of trying to help get the name out for this saw. And so we talked at the Houston Woodworking Show. Finally got to meet him, and waiting for so many years to meet him, and that was a treat. And we got to talking, and he would like for me to try and teach people to use spiral blades, as well as possibly designing patterns, more so on the spiral blade things. Those details are being ironed out as we speak, but in the meantime he wanted me to try it out, because I can't really teach people to use spiral blades on a saw I've never used. So there's that. There is no sponsorship involved, but I am very happy to help Ray get the word out, and hopefully y'all can help me do that. But stick around, let's watch how I put it together.